Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. This will be primarily a follow-up geared towards viewers of my other video that cannot find the filter administrator token value in the registry editor. So you're probably thinking at that point in the video, oh my goodness, what do I do? Since I do not see that value in there. And for some people that will be the case. So I'm going to just do a brief walkthrough of how to do this. There is a start menu shortcut that you can actually type something in. However, I prefer to manually install the key. So again, we're at this point in the previous video, we already have the system file opened up and we have all of these keys already in place. What we're going to do is right click on an empty space underneath the other entries here, and then we're going to left click on new and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Okay, so under new value, what you want to type in is filter administrator token. Make sure you spell this all correctly, and then hit the enter on your keyboard. So filter administrator token, and then double click on it. Underneath value data, set it to 1. That will enable this integer, and then left click on OK. We've created the filter administrator token and we have hopefully resolved our issue. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.